Hey, Marcus.
Hey, Sarah. Good morning. How's it going today?
I'm good, just a little tired. I didn't sleep much last night. How about you?
Same here. The traffic outside was super loud. I think there was some construction going on.
Oh, yeah, I heard that too. City life, right? Always noisy.
For sure. Anyway, are you heading downtown today?
Yeah, I need to go to the post office and then maybe grab a coffee. I ran out of coffee at home.
Oh, nice. I actually want some coffee too. The new Café on Main Street opened last week. Have you tried it?
Not yet. I walked past it yesterday. It looked really cute. Maybe we can go together?
Sounds good. I'm always down for coffee. Do you want to walk or take the bus?
Let's walk. It's a nice day, and I need some fresh air.
Same. I've been sitting at my desk too much lately. My back is killing me.
Tell me about it. I think I need a new chair. My old one is horrible.
You should check out that furniture store near the mall. They have good deals sometimes.
Oh yeah, I think I saw their ad online. Maybe I'll go this weekend.
So what else are you doing today besides the post office and coffee?
I want to stop by the grocery store. I ran out of almost everything. Milk, bread, eggs, the basics.
Same here. My fridge looks empty. Maybe I should go shopping too, but I keep putting it off.
Typical city life. Busy, but never actually doing anything. Right?
Anyway, did you hear about the event in the park this weekend?
No. What event?
Some kind of street fair. Food trucks, music, local artists. I saw a flyer near the library.
Oh, that sounds fun. I love food trucks. Maybe we should go.
Yeah, I'm down. I heard they'll have live music too.
Nice. Speaking of music, did you ever fix your headphones?
Not yet. They completely stopped working. I might buy new ones.
You can check online. Sometimes prices are cheaper than in stores.
True. I'll probably order tonight. I need them for the gym.
Are you still going to the gym early in the morning?
Yeah, but it's getting harder to wake up. I think I need better sleep.
Me too. I keep scrolling on my phone at night. It's a bad habit.
Same. Social media is dangerous. You open it for 5 minutes and suddenly it's midnight.
Exactly. I should put my phone across the room so I don't touch it.
Good idea. So, do you want to head to the cafe now?
Yeah, sure. Let's go. Do you know what you're going to order?
Probably an iced latte. It's warm today.
I'll get a cappuccino. I love foam.
You and your foam obsession.
Hey, foam is important. It makes the coffee better.
All right. Hey, look, the street is busier than usual.
Yeah, maybe because it's almost lunchtime. People are out running errands.
The city never sleeps, even on weekdays.
True. By the way, did you pay your electric bill yet? I almost forgot mine.
Oh, shoot. Thanks for reminding me. I need to do that tonight.
No problem. Last month I forgot, and they sent me a warning email.
I hate those emails. They always scare me for no reason.
Same. Okay, we're almost at the cafe.
Wow, it looks nice from the outside. Very modern.
Yeah, I like the big windows. It feels open and bright.
Let's go in. Oh, wow, it smells amazing.
Coffee shops always smell good. I could live in one.
You basically do. You're here like every day.
Fair enough. Oh, the line is not too long. Good.
Great. I hate waiting in long lines.
So after coffee, are you going home or heading somewhere else?
I might stop by the bookstore. I want a new planner.
Oh, nice. I love planners. I buy them and then never use them.
Same. I start strong for 1 week, then forget about it.
Classic. At least you try.
True. Okay, it's our turn to order.
Hi, I'll have a small cappuccino, please.
And I'll get a medium iced latte. Thank you.
Do you want to sit inside or outside?
Outside. It's nice weather today. Perfect. Oh wow, this latte is really good.
Mine too. I might come here more often.
Same. So, what else is new with you?
Nothing big. Work is busy. I have a project due next week.
Oh, good luck with that. I know you'll do great.
Thanks. How about you? Anything going on?
Not much. Just trying to stay organized, eat better, life stuff.
Yeah, I get it. Adulting is hard.
Very hard. But hey, at least we have good coffee.
True. Coffee makes everything better.
All right, after we finish, let's go to the post office. I'll walk with you.
Thanks. It's always nicer walking with someone.
For sure. And after that, maybe we can stop by the grocery store together.
Yeah, good idea. We can both stock up on basics.
Sounds like a plan.
The weather is perfect today.
Yeah, not too hot, not too cold.
I love walking in the park after a long day.
Same. It clears my head.
Your coffee still warm?
Barely. I drink too slow.
You always do. Mine is already gone.
Fast drinker. Respect.
Hey, want to sit by the pond for a bit?
Sure, let's go.
The air near the lake always feels fresher.
Yeah, I love the smell of water in the morning.
Look at the light reflecting on the surface. It's so pretty.
Makes me want to sit here all day.
Same, but we've got mail to send.
True. Adult life is fun, right?
Very fun, especially waiting in line.
Don't remind me.
Let's enjoy the walk before the chaos.
Good idea. Do you come here often?
Not as often as I want. Maybe twice a week. What about you?
Usually on weekends. But today I needed fresh air, so this is perfect.
Same. And walking before going to the post office is a good idea. Makes the trip more fun.
Exactly. Errands feel less boring when you do something relaxing first.
Oh, look at those ducks!
So many of them. They look so peaceful.
You ever think about getting a little boat or kayak?
Yeah, sometimes, but I'm scared I'd flip over.
You probably would, but it would be funny.
Hey, I'm not that clumsy.
Sure, whatever you say.